Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Doris Eje Ikani. Long time no see. Victor is not around. He has gone to work, but he will be joining us later in the evening. So welcome to my abode. This is my kitchen and I'm going to be making dinner. I decided to make oil rice, also known as opay rice, but I don't have the opay here. The one I have is the dried one, and I feel like it won't give the flavor I want, so I have to rush out now to get the fresh one. But before that, guys, I got cocoyam, and sorry, I'm using my front camera, and so I don't know how clear it's going to be, and it might not be as good as the back camera, but I got some cocoyams, and I wanted to prepare cocoyam soup, the bitter leaf, like the ora kind of soup, and this is it. But the lady told me that the lady said that this is not the type that they use for soup, that this is the one for eating. I've never eaten cocoyam before. I don't know how it will taste, but I'm still going to be stubborn and I'll use it to make soup. So if you use this edible cocoyam for soup rather than eating it as a food on its own, please let me know in the comment section how it went. What are the downsides to using this? So I have them in a good number. Maybe I'll make the soup very small and see what the outcome will be. But all the same, thanks for joining me today, and let me get started and I'll find another location for this camera. Okay, so guys, hey guys, so I'm back and this is where let me try to set this thing not straight. Okay, I think we're good to go now. So this is the external mic. I'm going to drop it somewhere so that when I talk it will pick up the sound. I'm back. You're not going to be seeing my face, but you're going to be seeing what I'm going to be doing here. So basically this is my, when the camera was off, I prepared the smell that's the locals beans, the fish, and I'll just blend this with the manual blender or grater. I got this when I was in Mina. So you put the stuff here and then you just manually blend it. So I'll get that ready, then I will measure the rice here for a 3-4 size family, and then we'll get started. So let me start by blending grating the tomato, and I hope you guys can actually see what I'm doing here, or where it's clear. So let's go. The pepper here is not so much. Victor doesn't like pepper, but I'm going to add dry pepper. This is the type of thing that happens, that I decide to just add small pepper and then everything just becomes too pepperish. Let's just do. So this is how I use it. I put the stuff here and I just and everything goes in here. So let me do it right there, you can see. I'm using all the onion. I'll retain this one for just the last. When the food is ready, I just cut it on top. I tried getting a folio around here, that's green spinach, but I couldn't, so we'll work with what we have, and then when it becomes dark, I'll come put on the chair. In case I didn't mention, it has the cover. This is the cover for it. Maybe I should even use it instead of using my hand. This is the cover for it. So you put what you want to put inside and you just cover and blend. So sealed. And then I just can you see? This is what it looks like. And we're done. So keep this by the side and I'll measure and wash my rice. So I had to put on the flashlight of the camera because it was getting dark here. So this is the rice. I'll just hope you guys can hear. This is the rice and I'll just wash it. I think this should be. I'm trying this so that it doesn't obstruct our view. better. These are all our ingredients, then the rice there. For this meal, I'm going to be using the calm gas, and that's because this tabletop gas is not compatible with this gas. I think this, when we started using it at first, in less than a week, or no, sorry, less than 2 weeks, to just become empty. So when I asked the gas guy at the gas station, he said they are not compatible, so I should rather get the 12 kg or something, and it will work better with this. So guys, we'll not be using this, so let me just set up this and then we'll be good to go. So guys, our food is ready. I've been to this place, and unfortunately Victor couldn't get cabbage, so let me just serve. I didn't tell you guys about this my. I hope I don't spoil the camera. We'll talk about that one later. So Talia. Can't believe it. Yeah, yeah, I think. How was work? I'm fine. Dalia, don't shake this thing now. How was work? How was the hold up?
It's good.
Our food is ready. Alright. The camera no want to agree to stay in one place. Sorry.
I got a new landscape that
Whoa.
is mind blowing. The trees are shaking. Like the leaves are shaking.
When you do animation.
Just put the trees in the exterior view, you see the trees shaking. But you have to go online to get trees, get cars,
Okay.
like 3D warehouse.
Yeah.
But for landscape.
Okay.
It's crazy. And I got a new view.
Come and show your face. Come and say hi. Don't scatter it. Daddy has been scattering it for me. Please. He just came from work.
Hi.
Hi. Let me down food. Food is ready.
Did it show?
I don't know. Am I showing?
Let me say hi again.
Hi, guys. I think you just.
When did you turn on?
Just now.
Okay. Were you able to get food?
Nope.
But you're
I
not
forgot.
eating now.
No, I'm not baking.
So
Okay, so guys, our meal is ready. This is what it looks like. You can see how bright and fine my food looks because of how bright the kitchen is. Guys, so this is our meal. Look at how yummy it looks. I'm going to be having orange first before it. So back to the dish rack I was telling you guys about. My mom, okay, I saw it one time when I went to buy some kitchen stuff from my kitchen guy. So I told my mom. So she bought it for me as part of my wedding stuff. And when I started arranging, I had another plate rack. That's Victor's plate rack, but I still had problems with having dust on it whenever we're not around for a long time. So I thought, why don't I get the second one So guys, this is what it looks like. It has a bowl under and it has a cover. It has a bowl under and it has a cover. See the basket inside. The moment you put plates, it drains into the bowl. So when you're doing like the major washing, you can now turn the water out of the bowl. So but it keeps your plates dust free and beautiful. All keeps your plates dust free and clean all through. So guys, let's go and eat. I'll set up the camera. I think we'll watch a movie. And bye bye.